Most discomfort during a plus-size Brazilian wax isn't caused by the wax itself. It's caused by technique. Today, you'll learn the positioning and tension methods professionals use to improve comfort and precision. Every successful service begins with proper preparation and sanitation. Quality hard wax helps improve control and consistency during treatment. Prepare the skin with a gentle cleanser and appropriate pre-service products. Positioning is one of the most overlooked factors in client comfort. A supported side position can improve access and comfort. Tension control is where professional results begin. Use 3-point tension to stabilize the treatment area. Smaller applications provide greater control and precision. Removal should stay low and parallel to the skin surface. Apply immediate pressure after removal to help improve comfort. Finish with a soothing, fragrance-free aftercare product. Advise clients to avoid excessive heat, friction, and tight clothing for 24 hours. Mastering these techniques helps build trust, confidence, and better client experiences. Subscribe for more professional training.